Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just did a sticker tutorial a couple weeks ago. I showed how to create stickers in Cricut Design Space and how to use print and cut. And I had gotten a few requests on how to laminate stickers, so I thought I would do a video on that. Since I already showed the whole process of how to make the stickers, I'm not going to show that, so I will link the video down below if you missed that. But I am going to use some of the same summer stickers. I'm going to be using Cricut printable vinyl for the sticker paper. It has a matte finish on it, so when I add the clear laminating sheet and use the laminator over it, then it'll give it a nice glossy finish. There is so many different types of sticker paper that you can use. I see so many people use the online labels sticker paper. I haven't tried it. I can link it down below for you, but I can't personally say how those work. If you have used online labels before, definitely let us know in the comments how you like it. I personally just really like the Cricut printable vinyl. The colors have always come out really nice with it, so that's my go-to for matte sticker paper. I have it all ready, so I'm going to click Make It. Then I'll hit Continue, and I'm going to select Send to Printer. I'm going to keep my bleed on. Like I said in my last video, I see people all the time recommending to turn the bleed off, but I always recommend keeping it on because I think the problem is it looks blurry on the edge, so it looks like it printed off wrong, but the Cricut will actually cut out that blurry edge and it actually helps it get a more accurate cut. And you can read here, it has like a little info thing that says the bleed extends ink slightly beyond border of image. I'm also going to choose the Use System dialog and I'll select Print, and the Use System dialog will open up the print screen. In my last video I chose the photo media type, but this is just matte paper, so all I'm going to do is switch it to best and then I'm going to hit Print. I place the printable vinyl in the printer. You'll want to make sure you know which way your printer prints so the ink will be on the correct side. Here's what the Cricut printable vinyl looks like. I buy this on Amazon and they usually have it for a really good price on there. I'm also going to use these Avery self-adhesive laminating sheets to place on top of the Cricut vinyl. I bought this off of Amazon as well, and I can leave this linked in the description box. I grab one full sheet and I want to cut it down to the size of my stickers. I set it inside of the black box and I make marks with my pencil. Then I grab my paper cutter and cut it down to those marks. I want the sheet to be inside the black registration lines. I have a Cricut Maker, so the Cricut probably would be able to read it okay, but if you have an Explorer Air 2, you'll want to do it this way because it can't read over that glossy sheet. And I like to do it this way anyways because it saves some paper. Now I'm ready to place it over my Cricut paper. These Avery labels are awesome because they have a tab at the top that you can just pull off to easily place this down. I tore off the tab, then I set it down on the top of my sticker sheet inside of the black lines. Then I pull up a little more of the backing and just set it down on the sheet and use my scraper tool to press the rest of the laminating sheet down. The large scraper tool works really well for this. You want to be careful to have the sheet placed down smoothly. I run my scraper tool over it a few more times just to make sure I'm getting out any air bubbles. It might be hard to see on the camera, but here's the clear sheet over the stickers. I trim off the rest of the paper and I always save the scraps. Next, I run it through a laminator. I don't think this is an absolutely necessary step, but I did feel like it helped press the sheet down a little better and it could possibly help with air bubbles as well. I found this laminator on Amazon for $20. It's hard to see here, but I turned it to the cold setting. I have a laminator already, but I only had it with a hot setting, and I tested it out on this paper before filming, and the paper just curled up. It didn't work for me, so I recommend buying a laminator with a cold setting. I do feel like it gives it just a nice finish. For the setting with the laminate sheet on top, I'm going to use magnetic sheet. I struggled to find a setting for this, And this one is okay, but I feel like it's still not totally perfect, but it was the best one that I could find. So I'm going to select magnetic sheet. If you make laminating stickers, I would love to hear what setting you use because this has been tricky for me trying to find the right one. And now I'll have the Cricut cut. I place the sheet on the upper left corner of my mat, and the Cricut will first read the black registration lines and then it'll cut out the design. Once it's done, I just remove the excess sticker paper. Here's how the stickers look. I think they look really neat, and the laminate on top not only looks good, but it will protect it from water as well, which is awesome. Also, I want to quickly compare these to the Nito labels, and I also want to do a water test. I just want to compare these to the Nito label sticker paper that I used in my first video. The Nito paper is on the left and the laminate is on the right. I feel like they both look really good. To me, it looks like the color in the Nito sticker paper is a little brighter and a little more vibrant, but I think they both look great. I would say it would just be a personal preference on which type of stickers you want to make. The laminate stickers take a little longer with the whole process, but I really like how they turn out as well. Here is the Cricut vinyl with the laminate on top that we did in the video. I decided to do a water test on my tumbler. I ran it under water and I was completely shocked it didn't come up at all. This is only running it under water once, but I am going to do an updated video after washing it several times, and I'll let you know how it's holding up. But I was really surprised how well it stuck onto the tumbler and it did not pick up at all. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box below and I'll try to get back to you. I would also love it if you subscribed if you are new to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my videos.